Welcome back to Cruising with the Wild Herron. We finally moved the boat back to Dowry Creek on a very chilly New Year's Eve day. We have 7 reverse cycle air conditioning units, but only 2 of them would run heat. We were not happy. Each AC unit cost a few boat units. Nothing would happen when we turned up the temperature. The LED light wouldn't come on, nor the heat. This is what it's supposed to look like when the heat comes on. That little red light's supposed to show the compressor and the fan kicks on and the heat starts blowing. Much to our dismay, only 2 units were working, the master bedroom and the bunk room. After some investigative reporting, we found out that it was the programming of the thermostat itself.
Okay. So you hold the power on until it says P, and it's set to, the parameter is 1. 1 is cool only. 2 is heat only. 0 is automatic. It'll switch between both.
So we're putting it to heat.
To heat only for now, for the season. And then you let it go. Because if I push this again, it goes to the next programmable setting.
So it just has to cycle off on its own.
It turns off on its own. Well, that's the only thing it said in the book. I would like to think that it would turn off. Takes it a minute. Don't touch it.
Okay, it's off.
Okay, so shut off all the way?
Yep. So Tad went around the boat reprogramming all the thermostats to setting for heat for winter. I'm sure doing this DIY fix saved us a boat unit in repairs. Stay tuned for more Cruising with the Wild Herons. And don't forget, if you like our channel, give us a like and hit the subscribe button. Ciao.